Today, we are going to see how you can buy a domain name. So, what is a domain? The actual address of a website is a complex numerical IP address that is hard to remember. It was Paul Mockapetris who invented the domain name system, DNS, in 1983. This invention made it possible for users to access a website with a unique, easy-to-remember domain name instead of an IP address. Now, let's take a look at how you can buy a domain name from Namecheap, which is an ICANN-accredited domain name registrar based in Phoenix, Arizona, US. To get a new domain name, just go to the video you are watching right now. And then, click this link in the description below the video. It'll take you to Namecheap.com where we are going to buy the domain. First, you need to have a domain name in your mind that you want to buy. And as you can see, we need to create an account to buy a domain. So let's go ahead and create an account by clicking here on Sign Up. Now, here we need to enter a username, password, email, and other information. Then click Create Account and continue. Now, you have successfully created an account on Namecheap. Now, click here. So, just enter the domain name you want in this box. And click Search. And here, you can see that the name is available. So to get the domain name, just click Add to Cart. Now, click Checkout. Now, SmartSites provides a coupon code, which gives you a 39% discount on .com domain, and up to a 99% discount on these 25 domains. To get the discount, click here. Now, here you need to enter the coupon code that is given in the description. So, let's enter that and click Apply. And as you can see, now we have got the discount. So, let's go ahead and make the purchase. Just click Confirm Order. Now we need to enter the account contact information. After entering all the required information, then click Continue. And then again, click Continue. Now, here we can see that we are getting the domain for 1 year. So to get the domain, let's enter our payment details. I am going to choose a credit card. Once you are done, click Continue. Then, click Pay Now. Okay, so now we have successfully purchased our new domain name from Namecheap. Now, if you click here and go to the dashboard, you can see the domain that we just purchased. So that's it, this is how you can buy a domain from Namecheap. Subscribe to get more tutorials, share this video with friends, and comment below for what video I should do next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.